Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Assign priorities at C2. C2 is bonded to Cu C1 top, C3, bottom chain containing O, H, Cho, O, right, H, left. Priority order, O directly attached, Cu surprise smiley attached carbon, C3 chain, O attached via next carbon, H, priorities, 1 is equal to O, 2 is equal to Cu, 3 is equal to C3 chain, 4 is equal to H. Moving on to the next step. In a Fischer projection, horizontal bonds point toward the viewer and vertical bonds point away. At C2, H is on the left, toward viewer. Since the lowest priority, H, is on a horizontal bond, toward viewer, we must determine the arrangement of 1, 2, 3 and then invert. Arrangement of groups 1, O right, 2, Cu top away, 3, C3, bottom away, as seen with H toward viewer. O is to the right, Cu is up, going away, C3 chain is down, going away. Reading 1 to 3, from right, O to top, Cu to bottom, C3 is equal to this traces counterclockwise, right up down is equal to CCW, is equal to S arrangement as seen from front. Since H, priority 4, is toward us, horizontal, we invert as our C2 configuration is equal to R. Moving on to the next step. Assign priorities at C3. C3 is bonded to C2 chain, top, containing O, H, Cu, Cho, bottom, C width is equal to O, H, O, left, H, right. Priority order, 1 is equal to O directly attached, left, 2 is equal to Cho, C doubly bonded to O, counts as C bonded to O, H phantom, 3 is equal to C2 chain, C bonded to O, C, H, 4 is equal to H, right. Priorities, 1 is equal to O, 2 is equal to Cho, 3 is equal to C2 chain, 4 is equal to H. And for the final step. At C3, H is on the right, horizontal, toward viewer. Arrangement of 1, O left, 2, Cho bottom away, 3, C2 top away. O is left, Cho is down, away, C2 is up, away. Reading 1 to 3, left, O, down, Cho up, C2, is equal to this is clockwise is equal to R as seen from front. Since H is toward us, horizontal, invert, RS C3 configuration is equal to S. Re-examining C3, let me recheck the direction 1 to 3 with O on left, Cho on bottom, C2 on top. Going O left, Cho, bottom, C2, top left to bottom to top traces, left down is quarter turn clockwise, then bottom top goes up through right side is equal to overall the rotation left bottom top is counterclockwise, CCW, is equal to S before inversion. Inverting because H is on horizontal, toward viewer as R, C3 is equal to R. So C2 is equal to R, C3 is equal to R, matching answer, A, R, R verification, the other options S, as R, SS, R do not match the correct CIP assignments derived above. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.